Hello, welcome back to Abel's Learning Corner. 今天的小说呢，来到这篇叫做 My Meatball。今天要学的主要的是roll off 滚下来 ，OK， 或者是roll past 滚过去 past。那还要学到一些过去式的 past tense，OK。My meatball. Oh no, my meatball rolled off my plate. OK， 好，我的 meatball 呢不小心呢滚下去了。OK 呢，被我拿一下笔。好，它不小心 rolled off， 滚下去了。rolled off. Next one. Oh no, it rolled past my car. OK， 它 passed 穿过了。OK。Rolled past my car. Next one. Oh no, it rolled past my book. Book. Rolled past. Oh no, it rolled past my blocks. Blocks. Rolled past. Oh no, it rolled past my bear. Bear. Rolled past. Oh no, it rolled past my cat. Cat. Rolled past. Oh no, no more meatball. 好，为什么 no more meatball 呢？因为都被这个 cat 吃光了。OK， 好，所以呢，再说一次哦，我们今天学到最主要的过去式的这个片语是 rolled past。好，那还学到一些我们复习的单词啊 ，bear 啊 ，blocks， book。car 这些单词，还有 plate 这个盘子，这一盘。OK， 好，记住咯，这是我们今天学的 rolled off 滚下 ，rolled past 滚过去。好，那今天说的都是过去式，所以呢，再一次 my meatball. Oh no, my meatball rolled off my plate. Oh no, it rolled past my car. Oh no, it rolled past my book. Oh no, it rolled past my blocks. Oh no, it rolled past my bear. Oh no, it rolled past my cat. Oh no, no more meatball. Okay, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.